Hydroponics System Indoor Growing System Review. Hydroponics System Indoor Growing System with a adjustable LED grow light pole, automatic timer hydro garden for home kitchen. Height adjustable, 5.9 to 12 inches, hydroponic garden kit. Ideal indoor hydroponics growing system with a expandable light pole can be adjusted for veggies at different growth stages, helping veggies absorb energy from LED lights and promoting growth that will allow for plants up to 12 inches tall. As plants grow fast, no worry, the lights start to burn the plant. Low water indicates it is a challenge to refill the water or know the water level once there are plants growing. There is a light of hydroponic gardening system that will flash if water level gets too low. It would help to avoid having the low water level notification beep in the middle of the night. LED grow lights. The 20-watt LED lights of the indoor garden germination kit simulate the sunlight spectrum. They allow you to control exactly how much light the plants receive and for how long, promoting plant photosynthesis in any weather. Special circulating water pump modes. When the power is turned on, the water pump disperses the water every 25 minutes automatically. Actually pumps the water through the top and onto the grow sponges, and others just pumps the water without sending it through the top onto the grow sponges. The water pump is very quiet, it only sounds like water droplets, kind of relaxing like a spa. Automatic light timing. Automatic control panel automatically to control on-off of the LED grow light. 16H on and 8H off cycle, with red and white and blue LED lights, good for sprouts and growing plants. Please follow link in the description to get best price today.